Hey, Pop. It's me. You remember your brother, right?
What do you want?
I thought maybe I could work the mines with you guys.
Times have changed, boy.
Can't you even pretend to be happy to see me, Pop?
Get out of here.
Moisture is the essence of wetness.
Why do we have to come back to this damn town?
I'm sorry I was born with this perfect bone structure. All I ever wanted to do was make you proud of me, Pop.
With what? Your male modeling? You're dead to me, boy. You're more dead to me than your dead mother.